All right, so as you can see, it is boiling, and let's take a look at how it is now. All right. Hope you can see it, and it smells amazing. I'm going to let it simmer for a while. That means I'm going to let it boil on a low heat, and then we'll be back, let it cool down, and put it in our bottle. So welcome back. Our pineapple peel water is ready. I've allowed it to cool down for a while. Now I'm going to transfer it into this bottle. Well, I use this bottle because I believe that glass is it's a good way of storing things. I wouldn't use plastic bottle if the water is still hot or warm, but then you can put it in your glass bottle, and this is vacuum sealed so that no air can enter that will make it ferment or that will create mold in it. So right now what I'm going to do is I am going to see how yellow it is. Okay, my hands are clean. I'm going to squeeze everything. I don't want anything to go waste. I know if I could use this in a smoothie, I would. If you are the one drinking it, fine, but if you are not, you can put in some gloves and squeeze everything out of it. As you all know, we Africans love to make things with our hands. The most important thing is your hands are clean. So you can see, right? Yes, this is why you need to sieve it, even though you're still going to get some small particles in it, but that isn't a problem. Yay. Okay guys, so here you have your pineapple peel drink that I use to make my smoothie, my chia seeds, chamomile tea. So make sure you do not microwave it when you want to reheat it, because I'm going to put this in the fridge. Why I do not microwave it? Because the microwave, it isn't a healthy way of living. It really changes the composition of the food. So I prefer to heat it on my burner. I also have a cup which is stainless steel, and I take a little bit and do it. So this I'm going to drink now because it is warm. I can just add some lemon juice, some ginger, grate some ginger, add it to it without adding sugar or honey, because this is always sweet. It has the sweetness of the pineapple. Even though we didn't use the pineapple fruit, we used the pineapple. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like, share and comment below. Mudase.